Welcome to another lesson. I'm still dealing with Abdallah's question. I've seen it, it is in KMF. It is question 9. So his photo captured 9 and 10. So for benefit of doubt, I do both. Now in this question, we are told that the 11th term of arithmetic progression is 4 times its second term. I come here, use your table. 11th term is a plus 10d, second term is a plus d. Okay, now that sentence carried its weight, its own weight. Every sentence in APGP carry weight that can be simplified. I have the weight. 11th term is 4 times the second term. So I take my 11th term, I place it there and substitute also second term. When you open bracket, you get this side, everything goes to the right hand side. I remain with 0. So 4a take away a is 3a, and then 4d take away 10d is that. Very important equation. Then we move to the another weight. What does it say? The sum of the first 7 terms is 175. I put here my formula for sum of 7. Substitute 7 over 2, 2a, and 6d. Then you come up with this. He has already told me sum of 7 terms is 175. That's why in place of S7 now I put 175. The right hand side is the same. Simplify, you come to this. Okay? Right. Now you have 2 equations that have to be solved simultaneously. Okay? The first one I'll multiply by 7. And the second one I'll multiply by 3. So remember, this eventually will be times 7. This will be times 3. You can compute that. And then we move down here a bit. We show you something. Just down here a bit. There. We can focus here now. We can focus. This is coming from equation 2, multiplication by 3. And this is coming from equation 1, multiplication by 7. When you subtract the 2, you get 525 is equal to 105d. Therefore, d is 5. This 5 you can replace anywhere accordingly. You get a is equal to 10. Okay? So you have the first term which was asked. Find the first term and the common difference. The first term is 10, common difference is 5. If you go further, he asks us, given that pth term of the progression is greater than 124, you are used to nth term. Now he just gives you a small trick, pth term. So where there is n, you put p. Here, the pth term is a plus p minus 1d. We are used to nth term is a plus n minus 1 in bracket times d. That's the only change. Okay? So what do we do now? We just analyze now. That term is greater than 124. Is greater than 124. So which following number is greater than 124? Is 125. So I'm not going to equate it to 124, rather 125, which is greater than 124. So you have it here. You can check on this. 10 plus p minus 1 times d is equal to 125. Here is where I want you to note. Okay? Now d, common difference is 5 here. A, we found is 10. So 10 plus p minus 1 in bracket 5 is equal to 125. Then you compute. If you compute, maybe we get it the camera near. When we compute that, what do we get? We get divide both sides by 5, gives me p minus 1 is equal to 115. Then p is equal to 24. P is equal to 24. P is equal to 24. You can see it here coming from this. The trick was not to use 124 but to use 125, because he said the value that will give you greater than 124. So I use 125. Thank you very much. See you next time.